Hey, welcome back to strongfencing.co.nz. Just a quick orientation video if you've got a Benica Turbo motor or a similar sliding motor, just to explain how you disengage the motor so it can be freewheeling, so it's not connected to the motor. You might want to do this if for some reason you don't have a battery backup and you have a power failure, or you just want to leave the gates open instead of having them automated. So the first thing you do is you remove the screws from the side. This one's got a Phillips screw. Remove the two screws, there's another one on the other side. Remove the cap. Inside you'll see you've got your key is sitting inside. Grab the key, remove the plastic cover from the keyhole and then insert the key. Yep, turn the key and you've got to pull the latch back. Yep, and now the gate should be freewheeling. Yep, so put it in whatever position you want, open or close, and then do the process in reverse. Close the cover, lock the key, pull the key out, and just move the gate a little bit and you'll feel it lock again. You hear that click? That means the gate's now back into automation mode. So yep, I hope that helps. Put the screws back in, and we'll put some more videos up, some help videos to help you with your project. Have a good day. See ya, bye.